Hello everyone, my name is David from Litex, and today I'll show you how to create a folder on an iPhone. Like I have many here you can see on the top. So I will drag and drop some of the apps inside of a folder to show you how to create a new one. So I will drag Snapchat, Facebook, and one more. Let's drag the Instagram down and let's create a folder with these three. Come on, at any time when you feel like, please give me that Instagram out. Thank you. And now what you have to do, let's say I want a folder with these three as I told you. So I will just tap and hold to move the Instagram around. So I will just tap and hold as I told you to move it, and now I will put it on top of Facebook. And now I just created a folder with Facebook and Instagram, and let's do the same with Snapchat. Tap on it and hold it, and now let's try to move it, and I will add it straight into this folder. And when you are done adding the apps inside of a folder, just tap anywhere else and you exit the editing mode, and the folder is created with Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. And you can rename it. As you can see, the name that my iPhone gave it is photo and video. And now to rename it, I will have to tap and hold the folder itself, and I can press on it again, and if I press on the text above, I can rename it. So this will be the example text, and I'll press on done on the bottom. I'll put an arrow, and now I will tap anywhere else. The folder is created and is renamed, and this is how you create a folder. And if you want, of course, to take them down, just tap and hold, move it around, and release it when you're done. And that's how you create and rename folders on an iPhone. If this helped you, don't forget to leave a comment down below in the comment section if you have any questions or thoughts, and I'll try to get to you as soon as possible. Please have a great day.